Sleep is not just a time for rest. It's one of the most powerful tools your body and brain use to repair, recharge, and stay healthy. For seniors, quality sleep becomes even more essential. It affects memory, mood, focus, and even your long-term risk of brain diseases like Alzheimer's. If you're someone over 50 who struggles with sleep, or you simply want to protect your brain as you age, this video is for you. Backhand index pointing right before we dive in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more science-based tips on healthy aging, brain power, and longevity. And if you find this video helpful, hit the like button to support our work and help others discover it too. Now, let's explore how sleep and brain health are deeply connected, especially for seniors. 1. Why sleep matters more as we age. As we get older, our sleep patterns change naturally. Many seniors find it harder to fall asleep or stay asleep through the night. The total number of hours slept may decrease, and deep sleep, also known as slow-wave sleep, becomes shorter. But deep sleep is the most restorative stage. It's during this phase that your brain clears out toxins, repairs cells, and consolidates memories. Without enough of it, your brain doesn't get the maintenance it needs. Research from the National Institute on Aging shows that poor sleep is directly linked to cognitive decline, reduced alertness, and a higher risk of dementia. This means sleep isn't just rest. It's a crucial biological process for brain protection. 2. How sleep supports memory and learning. One of sleep's most powerful effects on the brain is its role in memory formation. When you learn something new during the day, your brain stores that information temporarily. Then, while you sleep, especially during deep and REM stages, your brain organizes and transfers those memories from short-term storage to long-term storage. For seniors, this process is essential for maintaining sharp thinking and mental flexibility. Studies from Harvard Medical School show that people who get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep perform significantly better on memory and problem-solving tests than those who sleep less. On the other hand, chronic sleep deprivation can make it harder to recall names, remember appointments, or follow conversations, things many seniors notice as early warning signs of cognitive decline. Simply put, if you want a better memory tomorrow, prioritize good sleep tonight. 3. The brain's nightly cleaning system. During sleep, something fascinating happens inside your brain. Scientists discovered a system called the glymphatic system, which works like a cleaning crew. This system flushes out harmful waste products and proteins that build up in the brain during waking hours. One of these proteins, called beta amyloid, is the same toxic substance that accumulates in people with Alzheimer's disease. Here's the amazing part: the glymphatic system is 10 times more active during deep sleep than when you're awake. That means when you skip sleep or frequently wake up during the night, your brain doesn't get enough time to clean itself. Over time, this can increase the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. For seniors, ensuring consistent, quality sleep is like giving the brain a nightly detox, one that keeps it young, clear, and resilient. 4. Sleep and emotional balance. Good sleep doesn't just protect your brain, it also stabilizes your mood. As we age, emotional health plays a huge role in overall well-being. Lack of sleep has been shown to increase anxiety, irritability, and even symptoms of depression. Older adults who suffer from insomnia are more likely to report feelings of loneliness or sadness. Why does this happen? Because sleep regulates the brain's limbic system, especially the amygdala, the region responsible for processing emotions. Without enough rest, this part of the brain becomes overactive, while the prefrontal cortex, which helps control emotional responses, slows down. The result? Stronger emotional reactions, lower patience, and more stress. So if you find yourself feeling moody, anxious, or easily overwhelmed, improving your sleep might be one of the best natural remedies you can try. 5. The connection between sleep and brain diseases. One of the most concerning discoveries in neuroscience is how strongly poor sleep is linked to brain diseases. Multiple studies have found that sleep deprivation increases the risk of Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and vascular dementia. Chronic sleep loss leads to the buildup of beta amyloid and tau proteins, both of which damage brain cells and interfere with neuron communication. Even short-term disruptions, like sleeping less than 6 hours for several nights, can temporarily raise amyloid levels in the brain. But the good news is, improving sleep patterns can help reduce that risk. Seniors who maintain consistent sleep schedules and good sleep hygiene show stronger cognitive performance and slower rates of brain aging. Sleep truly acts as a natural shield against neurodegeneration. 6. Sleep, blood flow, and brain energy. Your brain uses about 20% of your body's total oxygen and energy. During deep sleep, blood flow to the brain increases, bringing more oxygen and nutrients to support cellular repair. This improved circulation helps neurons recover from the stress of daytime activity and keeps your mind sharp. When sleep quality drops, blood flow and oxygenation decrease, which can lead to brain fog, slower reaction times, and reduced mental clarity. Symptoms many seniors mistake for aging when they're actually caused by poor rest. So by improving your sleep, you're literally fueling your brain with the energy it needs to function at its best. 7. Why daytime habits affect nighttime sleep. Healthy sleep doesn't just happen at night. It's built throughout the day. For seniors, maintaining a consistent routine helps synchronize the body's circadian rhythm or internal clock. Here are a few scientifically proven habits that make a difference. Get sunlight in the morning. Exposure to natural light within the first hour after waking helps regulate melatonin and cortisol levels. Limit caffeine and alcohol. Both can disrupt the sleep cycle and reduce deep sleep quality. Stay active. Gentle exercise like walking, stretching, or yoga improves circulation and promotes deeper sleep. Avoid long naps. While short naps can refresh energy, long daytime naps may interfere with nighttime rest. In short, your daily rhythm determines your nightly recovery. 8. The role of melatonin and aging. Melatonin, the sleep hormone, naturally declines with age. This hormone is produced by the pineal gland in response to darkness and helps signal to the body that it's time to sleep. Low melatonin levels can make it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. That's why seniors often experience fragmented sleep, waking up multiple times during the night. To support natural melatonin production, keep your room dark and cool. Avoid bright screens at least an hour before bed. Consider melatonin-rich foods like tart cherries, walnuts, and bananas. In some cases, short-term melatonin supplements, under medical guidance, can also help restore sleep patterns. 9. Sleep apnea, the hidden threat to brain health. Sleep apnea is one of the most underdiagnosed conditions in older adults, and one of the most dangerous for brain health. It occurs when breathing repeatedly stops and starts during sleep, reducing oxygen flow to the brain. Over time, this oxygen shortage can lead to memory problems, poor concentration, and even an increased risk of dementia. Symptoms include loud snoring, gasping for air, or extreme tiredness during the day. If you suspect you have sleep apnea, getting tested and treated can dramatically improve both your sleep quality and brain function. 10. How to improve sleep for better brain health. The great news is that improving sleep is absolutely possible at any age. Here are some evidence-backed strategies to help seniors achieve better rest and sharper minds. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time daily. Create a calming bedtime routine. Reading, light stretching, or listening to soothing music signals your brain it's time to wind down. Keep your room dark, quiet, and cool. Environment matters more than most people realize. Limit screen exposure before bed. Blue light suppresses melatonin production. Eat a light dinner. Avoid heavy, spicy meals late in the evening. Stay hydrated, but not too much before bed. Dehydration causes cramps, while too much water leads to frequent bathroom trips. With consistency, these habits can restore deep, refreshing sleep, and with it, a clearer, more resilient brain. Conclusion: for seniors, sleep is more than just rest. It's one of the most effective, drug-free ways to protect your brain, preserve memory, and maintain emotional balance. Every hour of good sleep strengthens the brain's connections, clears toxins, and rejuvenates the mind. If you want to stay mentally sharp, emotionally stable, and physically strong, start by improving your sleep tonight. Remember, better sleep equals better brain. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. It helps more people discover science-backed health content like this. And subscribe for weekly videos on brain health, longevity, and natural living after 50. Your health journey starts with small steps, and one of the most powerful steps is a good night's sleep.